Hi, I'm Amber at WTI, and if you struggle with unpleasant aromas in your house, you need this. Whether it is a stinky, smelly dog or that fish that your significant other brought home while fishing that stunk up the house, this oil will come in handy so much. I like to diffuse just a few drops in the air, and it really helps to purify the air and make it smell nice and fresh. I love this oil so much that when I smell it, it instantly makes me happy. It just smells so clean and fresh. So the star ingredients of these are citronella, lemongrass, rosemary, and tea tree. And 3 of those ingredients are really excellent bug propellants, mosquito especially. So what I like to do before I go on a hike, I will put this in a spray bottle just with a few drops of oil, and then I spray it all over my body, and it keeps me from getting bit by the bugs. I also like to add a drop of this to my laundry. I just find that it helps it to smell so much better and so much more fresh. This is also really great to just put on a little paper towel inside of your garbage can and have your garbage always smelling delicious. So if you need your home to smell just a little bit better, this oil should be on the top of your list. And that is my point of view.